know which one to go to.
Hi, everyone. That's great. Affordable housing, child tax credit, lowering medical costs, and she's somebody who understands people. She spent her entire life working for only one client, us, you. And she's not somebody who debases your community and got up on a debate stage and just slurred the community. It's outrageous. And she's going to be behind you, support your safety, support your freedom, and has an opportunity economy that's going to work for you and for generations to come. So vote for Kamala.
Yeah, I'm just it's a pleasure to meet you.
Haitian radio and television.
Exactly.
I'd say no videos.
Yeah.
Vote for Kamala!